the ball that's helping. And this one is one that gets misunderstood. And I think a lot of us are earning penalties for this, not even knowing it, never even called on it. And here's the scoop. What's a helping ball? A helping ball is a ball that someone thinks and as under a reasonable assumption is going to help. Here is my ball and I am going to make a little chip onto the green. There's another ball just past the hole. It would be reasonable to think that that's a helping ball. It's acting as a backstop. If I hit it too hard and it goes past the hole, that ball will stop my ball from rolling further, potentially, right? There's no guarantee, but it might. So it's considered a helping ball. If a player reasonably believes that a ball on the putting green might help anyone's play, like as serving as a backstop, the player may require that the other player mark the spot and lift the ball. And the lifted ball must be replaced afterwards on its original spot. We're playing a 4-ball, better ball stroke play. Julie and I, Karen and Mandy. That's Karen's ball over there. And maybe there's another ball over here, Mandy's ball. And I'm like, okay, well, I think we need to get this ball marked, please, Karen. That is a helping ball because it could be a backstop. Karen must mark that ball and lift it and get it out of the way. I can't have an agreement with my partner. Julie can't go, oh, Marcella, just leave your ball there. She's saying leave your ball there, probably because she knows it's a backstop. We can't have that agreement to leave a ball there, a helping ball. If we do, and someone makes that stroke, we're both going to get the general penalty. You'd think we would do it to help each other. We might be leaving it there to help someone else in our foursome, right? Can't do that. Or there is going to be the general penalty, 2-stroke penalty and stroke play for both of us for doing that. So you are protecting the field. There is a whole field of people that don't get to see what's happening. So therefore, we've got to follow the rules for everything. Now, if none of you says anything because you're not thinking about it and you don't even notice it and it's just really not in your head that it's a helping ball, then nobody says anything. But if one of you says to the other, Joanne, just leave it there. She's saying leave it there because it's a helping ball. And if you do leave it there and that stroke is made, both of you have just earned the general penalty. But if no one talks about it and no one says anything about it and we're all, somebody's in a bunker, somebody's grabbing their wedge, whatever, if there isn't an agreement to do it, there's not a penalty. But you also can't say at the beginning of the round, oh, hey girls, FYI, if there's ever a ball past it, we're not going to talk about it, but if it's helping, just leave it there. DQ on that one for a plan to violate the rules. Okay.